guys, today we're gonna make mukbang challenge. Let's go! I want apple.
Hello guys! Hello guys! Going to eat bananas!
I'm gonna eat ano sa cellphone? Wala bang lang na kasang part 2. You watch the song part. Yes.
Okay,
Like
eat,
the
baby!
Do you like
Baby, let's open
Songs
it!
Part 2 movie? Just say it.
B!
Now
B! Let's go! Let's go! Open natin banana smoking! Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby one! Go, baby! You can do it, baby one! You can do it, baby one! Okay, let's open your
Ano
banana.
yung worm? Mamalitan lang dito. Rambutan naman kain ko. Yeah. Siklab.
Anong masasabi niyo sa fruits?
So yummy.
Yummy and?
So healthy. Rambo. I cannot fix it. About bananas.
Yes.
Bugawan mo kaya?
This is actually like
Diyan bugaw habang nag-eat. Okay. Eat banana one. Go. Eat banana.
Mamaya
Eat some
kami yan.
banana, baby. Do you want apple? Okay, get apple.
Malaki. Salad. Banana.
Go.
Where's that Xavier bird? And versus Tasha Xavier. And versus Kukunin ko mga lapang seeds.
Go.
Abutan niyo din ako ng mangga.
Let's go eat.
Hindi ko kangatahin yan.
Yung naka-slice na Ezekiel.
Yung buto. Buto.
Yung buto. Nako dito na.
Oh no!
Watermelon.
Melon. Namatay si Coco Melon.
Ezekiel, what do we have?
Watermelon, grapes, bananas, and oranges. I don't know what is this. Okay. And mangoes, apples.
And langaw.
How
I
does
don't-
it taste? How does it taste?
It's good. This one is. I don't know this thing.
That is rambutan. Anong lasa ng rambutan? Tell your viewers.
Sour.
How about the apple, ate? How about the apple? How does it taste?
Juicy.
Juicy.
It doesn't taste juicy.
How about Juan and Tasha?
Play it. That wasn't that was all. I like it.
Okay, eat.
Ay, gusto mo, baby?
Natapakan mo yung sabi. Ang didiri siguro siya. Okay, baby.
Dati nung bata ko ni Gab-gabat ko ni Dangil, iba na Lord kami para mas hindi kami nag-aaway. Ngayon nag-aaway na kami.
Yummy, yummy.
Hindi na kasi nila memories nila.
Eh, di batiin mo dito si Gab, napapanood niya na to.
Anong masasabi mo kay Gab?
Mamaya magpunta tayo dito pag nakapunta kayo dito.
Happy ba kayo? Happy ba kayo dito?
Mamaya umuwi kayo dito ah.
Say hi, hi.
Mommy, sit!
Baka sa bata.
Naiinom ko yung juice sala. Gamitin natin yung buto nito.
Pwede pa yung itanim ulit. Di masakit, Bi?
Itanim mo.
Masakit.
Buto na. Buto. Okay. Okay, bananas.
Anong nasa ng bananas?
So pretty. So pretty. So juicy.
How about the mangoes? Try the mangoes.
That's the mangoes.
No, that's not a mango. Yan. Okay, taste it. Mm.
It tastes just good. It tastes good.
Tastes weird? Why?
No, it's good. So, I like this.
Enjoy ka dyan, baby?
Oh, I like it. I gotta get you. Why you? I just gotta get you.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
She said the seed. The seed of watermelon just in the It tastes so weird.
Sorry.
Oh! Dirty now.
Oh, lapit mo. Lapit mo sa camera.
Ah! Nawala yung isang seed.
Go get another one.
There's another seed. I cannot eat this.
Okay?
I cannot taste this.
Lapit mo sa camera ate.
Nakasmile.
Creative. Creativity.
Mommy, it's an alien. It's an alien.
Tasha.
It makes some mouth. It is having mouth. See? I told you it's a happy face. I just like it like that. I'm gonna look at that.
Be, are you okay?
I gotta go with this thing.
Baby.
Like that. Oh, it's a slice! It's a slice! It's a slice. I got it. I got it. One on the banana. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What? Juicy. Super juicy. It's gross.
Okay ka lang, Bill. To?
I gotta make another one.
Plantito. Juan, plantito ka, Juan.
Plantito! Hindi picture niyo kung tapos sabi ng plantito! 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 I'm gonna try this grape. Hang on. Juicy! Is juicy cute? Hindi pala sa sa Space Jam Part 2, Mami, may mga has, may yellow. Look at right here. Just like this.
Hindi mahilig kumain.
Lantito. Siya magtatanim ng fruits for you.
Ako nga din. Try ko. Ako nga din. Gawin ko yun. I can have a seed. And another with some plants. Sumami mo plants ka mo.
Oh, sorry.
Dalawa sa akin.
Play ka lang ng ganyan.
Guys, tignan mo to. Nakakatakot dito. Tignan mo. Naikot. Please subscribe. Watch this video. Like and subscribe and click the bell to never see a video. Bye!